Welcome to Very Chem Lab, and today I want to talk to you about a liquid foamer, S1680, that is able to unload from zero water, zero oil, up to 90% oil. This product works in high level chlorides, 100,000, 250,000, but it's specifically good at unloading oil, and it'll unload it at low pressures and high pressures. It'll unload it without failure at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 days. So what I have today is I have a 30% condensate and a 20% active product. I'm going to shoot it at what is the usual rate for treatment of 5,000 ppm. But I want you to realize that every oil is a little bit different, and the higher the condensate, the easier it is to foam, and the lower the level of the gravity, the little more difficult. So it takes a little bit more oil and a little bit more surfactant to unload the well. When you call in, we can help you determine a start-out treatment rate, and from there you can fine-tune the well to make sure that you can optimize it with the least amount of chemical as possible. So I'll start this timer off. One of the things I want you to see is that it quickly grabs the oil and puts it into the foam column. You'll see the oil unload faster than the water. The other thing is that this product is known for breaking out the oil rapidly so that you don't have a lot of trouble selling the oil. Many of the old technologies, you would have to use a lot of excessive breakers just to get the oil to break out of the emulsion so you could sell it. Most of the time, a breaker is not necessary. You can over-treat where you might need a breaker, but if you're careful and you fine-tune your chemical treatment rate to its optimum, you should not need a breaker for your oil. So you're seeing it just slowly unloading at very low PSI. You see how it starts making small foam columns and bringing them up, and bringing the oil up with it. We're sitting right at a minute. I'll switch this beaker so we can get a better look at what we're unloading. Now, in the true life field application, you have water coming in continuously and you have soap going down continuously. So what we've done is a batch treatment, since we're not actually feeding, so it will not necessarily be the perfect rate for all the water, but it'll help you understand how it does unload and how quickly it'll break out. We're at a minute and a half, a little over. And you see it's already breaking out and the oil's breaking out under it. Applications can vary based on volume and percent of oil, and volume of oil per day, and volume of water. Application can be from a 10% active as high as a 40% active, depending on what you want to pump per day. In most cases, people want to pump a 10, no more than a 25% active product. We sell this product in a high concentrate so that you can utilize, without a lot of freight cost, a very economic product, dilute it down, and be able to use this product and make a good profit on it, and make your client profitable with the amount of gas they're selling. So we're at 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We're going to stop for a minute and we'll come back and look at the finish of this video. So we're at 5 minutes now. I'm going to take a look at where we're at. They're still unloading. We're seeing the oil starting to break out. We're looking at about 35% oil. Keep in mind, in 10 minutes to an hour, we normally see the foam totally gone and the oil gone. We can tweak our treatment rate so that we get enough foamer just to barely unload and that the foam dies immediately. So this treatment rate might be just a little higher than normal based on the oil we're working with. We appreciate your time. If you've got any questions, please call us at 1-800-833-5394. Talk to Tim in the lab or myself, or contact your local representative. We've got them in many locations in the United States and South America. Thank you for joining us.